Zulu wedding is not merely a union of two individuals. It is a symphony of heritage, family, and ancestral reverence. Each ritual unfolds like a chapter in a timeless story, weaving together the threads of tradition, community, and love. The journey begins with lobola, the bride price, where the groom's family approaches the bride's kin with humility and respect. Traditionally, cattle are offered, their presence symbolizing wealth, continuity, and the sacred bond between families. In modern times, money or other gifts may replace cattle, but the essence remains unchanged. Lobola is not a transaction, but a gesture of honor, acknowledging the bride's worth and the family's role in nurturing her. Negotiations are spirited yet respectful, echoing the rhythm of ancestral voices guiding the union. Once lobola is agreed upon, the celebrations gather momentum. The Umembeso ceremony follows, where the bride's family showers the groom's household with gifts, blankets, clay pots, woven mats, and clothing. These are not mere tokens. They are practical offerings meant to sustain the new household. Each item carries symbolic weight: blankets for warmth, pots for nourishment, mats for rest. The act itself is a declaration of goodwill, binding the families in generosity and reciprocity. The bride herself becomes the radiant centerpiece of the occasion. Dressed in vibrant attire adorned with beadwork, she embodies the artistry and identity of the Zulu people. Her garments often include a beaded headband, a colorful skirt, and intricate jewelry, each piece telling a story of lineage and pride. The groom, equally resplendent, may wear traditional regalia with animal skins, feathers, or beadwork, standing tall as a warrior of love and tradition. The climax arrives with Umabo, the final ceremony held at the groom's home. Here the bride is formally welcomed into her new family. She arrives with her kin, bearing gifts for her in-laws, and is received with song, dance, and ululation. The air vibrates with the beat of drums and the stamping of feet as men and women perform traditional dances that celebrate vitality and unity. The bride kneels before her father-in-law, a gesture of respect, while the family blesses her with words that carry the weight of generations. Food flows abundantly: meat, maize, and traditional beer, shared among guests as a symbol of communal joy. Storytelling, laughter, and music fill the air, transforming the gathering into a living tapestry of culture. The ancestors are invoked, their presence felt in the rhythm of the drums and the harmony of voices, ensuring that the marriage is not only between two people, but sanctified by those who came before. In contemporary times, many Zulu couples blend tradition with modernity, holding both a Western-style white wedding and the traditional ceremonies. This dual celebration reflects the adaptability of culture, honoring heritage while embracing new expressions of love. A Zulu wedding, therefore, is more than a ceremony. It is a cultural epic, a vibrant dance between past and present, family and community, individuality and tradition. It is a reminder that marriage in the Zulu worldview is not just about two hearts entwined, but about the weaving of entire families into a single, enduring fabric.